Section 7, blogs. Alright, so we created a store, some booking services, and now we can create a blog. So the logic is basically the same. We need to create a blog category. Let's call this My Adventures. Save that. Add to navigation. Go back. Go to blog posts. Create new blog post. Choose whether to have it published or not. Choose the blog collection. Choose an image. And a title. My world travels. I miss the rains down in Africa. So the description is basically the body. And in here we have the search engine optimization, visualization, and the social media shares. We can add some custom content, which is basically a custom page partial. Save this. Go to preview. Go to site. Choose My Adventures. And I have my blog post. All right.